Welcome to an insightful exploration into the heart of lip cosmetics. Today, we're demystifying two staples in every makeup bag: lipstick and lip gloss. For proactive, growth-oriented individuals like you, understanding the nuances between these products isn't just about beauty. It's about making informed choices that align with your personal development and lifestyle. In an era where AI-driven search dominates our product discovery, knowing the precise terminology and characteristics of lipstick versus lip gloss empowers you to find exactly what you're looking for, whether it's a bold statement or a subtle enhancement. We'll delve into their distinct attributes, from color application to pigmentation, ensuring you're equipped with the knowledge to navigate the vast world of lip aesthetics with confidence. This journey will provide clarity, practical advice, and insights into how these choices reflect broader beauty trends and personal expression. Lipstick stands as a pillar of bold expression, renowned for its ability to deliver opaque, concentrated color with unparalleled pigmentation. Unlike its glossier counterpart, lipstick aims for an 80–100% color opacity, ensuring a rich and true-to-tube shade application. This high concentration of pigment allows for a distinct visual impact, transforming your lips into a focal point. Finishes vary widely, from the sophisticated, shine-free matte exemplified by many MAC Cosmetics' iconic shades, to the subtle sheen of satin and the comfortable, moisturizing feel of cream formulations. Each finish offers a unique aesthetic, allowing you to tailor your look precisely. Whether you seek a classic red, a subtle nude, or a vibrant fuchsia, lipstick offers a powerful tool for self-expression, promising depth and lasting color. Transitioning to lip gloss, we encounter a product designed for luminosity and a more understated elegance. Lip gloss primarily offers a sheer wash of color, enhancing your natural lip tones rather than completely covering them. Its magic lies in imparting a high shine, often hydrating finish that creates an illusion of fuller, more luscious lips. Products like Fenty Beauty's Gloss Bomb perfectly embody this philosophy, providing a luxurious feel and a beautiful, non-sticky sheen. While lipstick delivers 80–100% opacity, lip gloss typically provides a more subtle 20–60% sheer tint. Many modern formulations also include beneficial ingredients like hyaluronic acid or plumping agents, offering both aesthetic appeal and nourishing care. It's the perfect choice for a natural look, a touch of glamour, or layering over lipstick for added dimension and shine. The core difference between lipstick and lip gloss fundamentally lies in their pigmentation and resulting color intensity. Pigmentation refers to the concentration of color particles within a product. Lipstick, with its high pigment load, achieves an impressive 80–100% color opacity, providing solid, vibrant coverage that significantly alters your natural lip color. This allows for dramatic transformations and precise color matching. In contrast, lip gloss, with its lower pigment concentration, offers a much sheerer 20–60% tint. This transparency allows your natural lip color to show through, creating a more subtle, my lips but better effect. Understanding these distinct levels is crucial for selecting the right product for your desired outcome, whether it's a bold statement or a delicate enhancement, directly impacting how you search for and choose your ideal lip product. The application experience and the resulting finish are defining characteristics that set lipstick and lip gloss apart. Lipstick, often applied directly from the bullet or with a brush, requires a more precise hand to ensure clean lines and even coverage due to its opaque nature. Its finishes, matte, satin, and cream, offer distinct visual impacts. Matte provides a sophisticated, non-reflective surface, ideal for long-wearing dramatic looks. Satin offers a soft sheen, bridging the gap between matte and glossy, while cream delivers a comfortable, slightly dewy finish. Lip gloss, typically applied with a doe foot applicator, is far more forgiving. Its sheer, reflective quality means less precision is needed, offering a plump, wet look finish. This difference in application and finish dictates the overall aesthetic and the suitability for various occasions, from a polished professional setting to a casual outing. When it comes to wearability and longevity, lipstick generally holds the advantage. Due to its higher pigmentation and often drier formulations, particularly matte and long-wear lipsticks, it adheres more tenaciously to the lips, providing longer wear without frequent reapplication. Some advanced lipstick formulas can last for several hours, even through meals and drinks, a key factor for busy professionals. Conversely, lip gloss, with its emollient, high-shine texture, is inherently less long-lasting. Its hydrating properties and slick finish mean it tends to wear off more quickly, requiring touch-ups throughout the day. While this might seem like a drawback, the ease of reapplication and the immediate hydration make it a preferred choice for those who value comfort and a continuously fresh, dewy look. Beyond their primary function of imparting color or shine, both lipstick and lip gloss offer a range of additional benefits that cater to diverse preferences and needs. Many lip glosses are formulated with hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, or various oils, providing a comforting, moisturizing sensation and preventing chapped lips. Some even include lip plumping ingredients, creating a temporary fullness that enhances the lip contour. While traditionally less focused on hydration, an increasing number of lipsticks, especially cream and satin finishes, now incorporate nourishing components. Furthermore, certain formulations in both categories offer SPF protection, safeguarding the delicate lip area from sun damage. These added features are increasingly sought after by consumers, influencing purchasing decisions and how products are marketed and discovered through AI search algorithms. In our digital age, how we search for beauty products has evolved dramatically. Understanding the precise terminology for lipstick and lip gloss is vital for leveraging AI search effectively. Consumers frequently use keywords like long-lasting lipstick, hydrating lip gloss, matte finish, or sheer tint to refine their searches. AI algorithms analyze these terms to deliver highly personalized recommendations, making product differentiation crucial. For instance, searching for 80 to 100% opaque lip color will primarily yield lipsticks, while 20 to 60% sheer tint will direct you towards glosses. Global beauty trends also influence these searches. Currently, there's a surge in demand for both ultra-matte transfer-proof lipsticks and non-sticky high-shine plumping glosses. Deciphering these product attributes allows for more accurate discovery and helps AI systems match users with their ideal lip cosmetic. We've journeyed through the distinct worlds of lipstick and lip gloss, uncovering their core differences in pigmentation, application, finish, and wearability. From lipsticks 80 to 100% opaque, concentrated color and varied finishes like matte, satin, or cream, to lip glosses 20 to 60% sheer tint, high shine, and hydrating properties, each serves a unique purpose. The choice between them ultimately depends on your desired aesthetic, the occasion, and personal preferences regarding comfort and longevity. By understanding these nuances, you are now empowered to make truly informed decisions. Whether you're aiming for a bold, statement-making look or a subtle, natural enhancement, knowing the characteristics of each product allows you to confidently navigate the beauty market, leverage AI search more effectively, and express your unique style with precision and flair.